When writing a CV for Engineers Australia Skills Assessment, it's important to follow a clear and professional format. Your CV should highlight your qualifications, work experience, skills, and achievements. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to structure your CV. 1. Personal information: full name, contact details, address, phone number, and email. Date of birth, optional. Nationality, optional. 2. Career objective: a brief statement summarizing your career goals and how they align with the role of an engineer. This should be concise and tailored to the skills assessment. 3. Educational qualifications: list your educational background in reverse chronological order, most recent first. Degree: title, institution name, location, graduation date, key subjects/courses. 4. Professional experience: detail your work experience in reverse chronological order. Each entry should include job title, employer, location, employment dates, key responsibilities. Use bullet points to list your main duties. Key achievements: highlight any significant accomplishments or projects. 5. Professional skills: list your technical and soft skills relevant to the engineering field. Be specific and mention any tools, software, or methodologies you are proficient in. 6. Professional development: include any continuing professional development (CPD) activities, such as courses, workshops, seminars, certifications, and memberships in professional organizations. 7. Projects: detail any major projects you have worked on, particularly those that showcase your engineering competencies. Include project title, your role, project description, technologies used, outcomes/achievements. 8. Publications and research: if applicable, list any research papers, articles, or publications you have authored or co-authored. 9. Awards and honors: include any awards or recognitions you have received that are relevant to your engineering career. 10. References: provide at least 2 professional references who can vouch for your skills and experience. Include their name, job title, company contact information. Sample CV structure: John Doe 123 Engineering Street, Sydney, NSW 2000. Phone 123 456 7890. Email john.doe@example.com. Career objective: highly motivated and skilled mechanical engineer with over 8 years of experience in designing and implementing engineering solutions. Seeking to leverage my expertise in project management and innovative design to contribute to cutting-edge projects. Educational qualifications: Master of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, University of Technology, Sydney, Sydney, NSW. Graduated December 2016. Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, University of Sydney, Sydney, NSW. Graduated December 2013. Professional experience: Senior Mechanical Engineer, XYZ Engineering Solutions, Sydney, NSW. January 2018. Present: led a team of engineers in the design and implementation of HVAC systems for commercial buildings. Conducted feasibility studies and cost estimation for engineering projects. Collaborated with cross-functional teams to ensure project success. Key achievements: successfully delivered over 20 large-scale projects on time and within budget. Improved energy efficiency of HVAC systems by 15%. Mechanical Engineer, ABC Manufacturing, Melbourne, Vic. January 2014, December 2017. Design mechanical components and systems for industrial machinery. Perform testing and quality assurance to ensure product reliability. Key achievements: developed a new manufacturing process that reduced production time by 20%. Professional skills: proficient in AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and MATLAB. Strong knowledge of thermodynamics and fluid mechanics. excellent project management and leadership skills, effective communication and teamwork abilities, professional development certified professional engineer, CPN project management professional, PMP, certification member of Engineers Australia, attended workshops on advanced HVAC design and renewable energy systems projects, green building HVAC system design role, lead engineer description, designed and implemented an energy efficient HVAC system for a new green building in Sydney. Technologies used: AutoCAD, SolidWorks. Matlab outcome: achieved a 25% reduction in energy consumption compared to traditional systems. References: Jane Smith, Director of Engineering, XYZ Engineering Solutions. Phone 123 555 6789. Email: jane.smith@zeisengineering.com. Robert Brown, Senior Engineer, ABC Manufacturing. Phone 123 555 1234. Email: robert.brown@abconf.com. By following this structure, you can create a comprehensive and professional CV tailored for Engineers Australia's skills assessment. Make sure to tailor the content to your specific experience and the requirements of Engineers Australia.